So here we are at the passion fruit vine on the playground, and you can see that there's some visitors. There we have a small Gulf Frittillary caterpillar. So these caterpillars look dangerous, but they are not. They don't sting. They are basically the juvenile form of the Gulf Frittillary butterfly, which you see flying right here, and they are orange with some silver spots, and their host plant is the passion flower vine. So some people call it passion vine, some people call it passion fruit, because it does have these fruits that are really good to eat. These aren't ready yet, they should be turning yellow. And then some people call it passion flower because the flower is also amazing. You can see that this one is being pollinated by an unknown insect, but very cool looking. And lots of fruits. And you know, it doesn't look so pretty as it did a few weeks ago before the butterflies arrived, but it had a long summer looking beautiful, and now it's time for the butterflies to complete their life cycle and to make more butterflies. So one thing that I wanted you to see was that you can see that this is the host plant, but you don't always see the chrysalises right near the host plant. A lot of times the caterpillars will travel. So I found some caterpillars that traveled from this plant all the way over to the learning center. Now, why would they leave their host plant? Probably a few reasons. Predators could be looking for them on their host plant, and they know where to find them, and they want to be safe. But also, you know, caterpillars could eat them if they're hanging from their host plant. There's not going to be much left of that plant. So that's how far they walked. They walked all the way over to here to build their chrysalises. So when I see them here and there's no passion vine and they're large, I know they're getting ready to chrysalis. So they're already starting to change their attaching to the wall, and they're starting to change their color, and they're going to start the metamorphosis process. So here's one that has already changed into a chrysalis. It's a lot different than the monarch chrysalis. You can see it's very camouflaged. It looks like a dead leaf, but this is a living thing. So if I touch it, it moves. Did you see that? Now, I don't want to harass it because that would be rude, but I wanted you guys to see that it's a living thing, and it's in there. It is not, you know, asleep. It's basically still alive, and it's going through a transformation from one life phase to the next. So from a caterpillar to a chrysalis to a butterfly, and then it may even lay eggs still this season once it becomes a butterfly, and you may have several generations being raised right here on our playground at Low Country Montessori School.